Jimmy, I want to get to a quick move of yours as well. We barely have referenced megacap tech, and Apple's been about 10% off of its high, its most recent high. You're trimming the stock, which I find interesting considering, as I said, you're trimming it when it's already down almost 10%. Why?
Well, of course, it's had, a great run here. I think we'll all acknowledge that. So starting from the point of view of it's a sector rotation, I was buying into healthcare. We talked about that earlier. I'm going to trim the technology sector, which I think we'll all admit has had a fabulous run. There's a little bit of another level down when you look at the Mag 7, which, of course, Apple is a core member of. I'm trying to say with my moves that I'm picking spots within the Mag 7 that I want to accentuate. Those include Amazon and Google. They are I am de-emphasizing Microsoft and Apple by the trims that I've done. Now to a more specific comment on Apple, I think all the news that's coming out on the name is showing that the much hoped for super cycle upgrade just isn't happening, at least anytime soon. And I don't think that's fully priced into the stock.
So, Jason Snipe, how are we feeling right here about megacap? Which had really resumed its leadership role, which made some people uneasy that it was a top-heavy market again. Right. But we've had a rollover. As rates have gone up, a lot of these mega-cap names have come down. Temporary? What do you think?
I do think it's temporary, and I think obviously they don't trade as a monolith. That's absolutely clear. I like the play. I like what Jimmy just mentioned. The names that we also like in this space are Amazon and Google. Amazon, for me, their operating leverage continues to grow. I think retail is back. They have kind of brought back those pre-pandemic gains that they had. When I look at AWS, as one of the #1 players in the cloud space, their margins were the largest margins growth since 2015. So I think there's momentum there. When I think about Google, they hit on all cylinders: retail, advertising, YouTube, all were strong, and cloud revenue. So I just think, the Lena Khan story, the DOJ, that will probably go into the background as this new Trump administration comes into play. So those are the names that I continue to like, and I think there will be continued growth there.
All right.